For those avoiding winter activities due to lack of traction, worry no more. Ice Cleats offer the necessary confidence for trails, hiking, or retrieving mail in icy conditions. Ice Cleats are crucial for winter adventures, often preventing hikes from ending prematurely due to icy patches near the summit. Traction ensures faster and more confident hiking. With numerous options available, choosing the right pair for tasks like fetching mail or trail running can be challenging. Several factors to consider before buying include price, efficiency, ease of use, and wearing comfort. Prices range from under $20 to $100, so budget is an important factor. While easier to use and lighter than crampons, though Ice Cleats are not suitable for glacier travel as they lack the holding power and toe spikes. Ease of use also varies, with some models being more user-friendly than others, so consider your patience when making a selection. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Due North Everyday G3 Traction Aids. The Due North Everyday G3 Ice Cleats ensure safety when walking or running on snow and ice, featuring pre-formed molded construction for a better fit, ease of use, and increased comfort. These cleats are equipped with 6 tungsten carbide Due North Ice Diamond spikes integrated into a proprietary rubber tread design for enhanced traction, outperforming coils and steel. The spikes are replaceable, ensuring long-term use. A textured lining prevents movement and slipping on the sole of the shoe or boot, while the enclosed toe area ensures a secure fit even while running. The 100% natural rubber makes the cleats easy to pull on and off. The key features of the Due North Everyday G3 include a friendly price tag, numerous fitting sizes ranging from men's 3 to 14 and women's 5 to 10, and 0.13-inch tungsten carbide nubs for spikes. These cleats are very affordable and reasonably comfortable on bare ground. However, they can be difficult to put on and do not provide great traction on steep compact snow. For those looking for an affordable pair of ice cleats to handle the next ice storm, the Due North Everyday G3 is a great pick. While not ideal for steep compact snow, the nubs provide good grip on ice without causing discomfort when transitioning to bare ground. These cleats offer a practical and economical solution for maintaining traction and safety during winter activities. Number 4. Hillsound Trail Crampon Ultra. The Hillsound Trail Crampon Ultra offers excellent grip and traction on compact snow, featuring 0.67-inch stainless steel spikes that perform exceptionally well on packed and icy trails. Priced at $90 and available in sizes from men's 6 to 15 and women's 5 to 14. These crampons are versatile, compatible with running shoes, hiking shoes with rigid or soft soles, and winter boots. The Hillsound Trail Crampon Ultra features 18 carbon steel spikes of 13 mm, 15 mm respectively, and a hinged front plate system, providing flexibility and secure strides on steep uphill and downhill terrains covered in snow and ice. The front includes 12 spikes at 13 mm for uphill traction, while the back plate has 3 longer 15 mm spikes for dependable downhill traction. Double-link side chains, a steel tow bar, and a durable elastomer harness ensure a strong grip and protection against rocks, roots, and other debris. The Hillsound Trail Crampon Ultra is designed for outdoor activities in snowy and icy conditions. While they excel in providing grip and stability, they may tend to hold onto more snow due to their spike design. Despite this, they are more comfortable to walk on bare ground compared to similar options. One drawback is their ease of use. They can be challenging to put on and take off. Overall, the Hillsound Trail Crampon Ultra is highly recommended for long hikes on consistent compact snow. It is suitable for trail running, hiking, and other winter activities where traction is essential. The included carry bag ensures convenient storage and protection before and after your adventure. Number 3. Kahtoola Nanospikes. The Kahtoola Nanospikes are designed to provide excellent traction on icy surfaces, featuring 0.38-inch tungsten carbide nubs. Priced at $55 and available in sizes from men's 5 to 14 and women's 6 to 12, these ice cleats are a great choice for trail runners and hikers contending with ice patches on their route. There are 3 styles of ice cleats: spikes, car chains, and nubs. The advantage of spikes is their ability to grip the ground, providing stability on steep surfaces, even more than normal hiking boots on dry ground. However, they can be uncomfortable on bare ground. Nubs, like the Kahtoola Nanospikes, excel in providing traction on icy surfaces while being more comfortable on firm ground. They do not provide as much traction on steep compact snow. The Kahtoola Nanospikes are among the easiest to pull on, and they are the most comfortable pair to stand on firm ground in. The tin carbide tungsten nubs underfoot provide plenty of traction in icy conditions. Overall, the Kahtoola Nanospikes are an excellent choice for anyone walking or running longer distances on patchy ice. They offer comfort on firm ground and provide sufficient traction on icy surfaces, making them suitable for various winter activities. However, they may not perform as well on steep compact snow compared to spiked cleats. Number 2. Yaktrax Walk. The Yaktrax Walk provides slip-on traction cleats designed to reduce the risk of falls when walking on snow or ice, priced at $25. Available in sizes from men's 1 to 13 and women's 3 to 15. These cleats feature 0.05-inch steel coils for traction. The Yaktrax Walk is an affordable choice, comfortable to wear on firm ground, and easy to pull on. However, they may not provide sufficient traction on steep snow-covered surfaces. These cleats are made of abrasion-resistant 1.2 mm steel coils with a zinc coating to prevent rust, secured to shoes with a durable polyelastomer outer band. They provide 360 degrees of traction on cold surfaces for stability in all directions. If you're looking for a low-key option to navigate flat surfaces with intermittent patches of compact snow, the Yaktrax Walk is an excellent choice. It is easy to put on and comfortable on firm ground, making it suitable for various winter activities like walking to work, school, or around the neighborhood. However, for steeper terrains, consider cleats with more aggressive traction. Number 1. Black Diamond Distance Spike. The Black Diamond Distance Spike is designed to provide excellent traction on compact snow, featuring 0.31-inch stainless steel spikes. Priced at $100 and available in sizes from men's 6 to 15 and women's 4 to 13. These ice cleats offer a balance of grip and comfort on both snow and bare ground. The Black Diamond Distance Spike was the easiest pair to pull on and surprisingly comfortable on firm ground. It proved to have an unmatched balance of grip on compact snow while still being comfortable to wear on bare ground for extended periods. If you've ever hiked on snow, you understand the frustration of frequently putting on and taking off ice cleats as conditions change. The pattern and placement of spikes on the Black Diamond Distance Spike are designed to be comfortable and efficient for transitions between snowy and bare patches. What truly impresses about this pair is how easy they are to take on and off. Unlike other cleats that require adjusting a loose mass of silicone and steel, the Black Diamond Distance Spike has a fabric pouch at the front for easy toe placement and a pull tab at the back for effortless pulling on. Despite these extra features, they maintain a competitive weight and a compact size when packed. The one drawback to these cleats is their price. They are on the higher end of the spectrum. If you frequently hike trails in winter, this investment is worthwhile. However, if you only need cleats for occasional use, one of the other options on this list might be more suitable. Overall, the Black Diamond Distance Spike is the best overall choice for its ease of use, comfort, and exceptional grip on compact snow. It is ideal for hikers and trail runners who need reliable traction in varying winter conditions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.